Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Nomad build and meeting key prerequisites: level, passive tree, and stash space. Once done, secure currency and a suitable crafting base, gloves with free suffixes. Next, use essences or orb methods to roll desirable implicit mods. You want a clean surface for the Mystic Hands recipe. Make sure to disable auto vendor and backup trade chat macros because timing matters when the recipe appears, and you must act fast to lock in the right rolls. Now you focus on controlled crafting. You'll use specific essences, fossils, or harvest crafts to bias toward the Mystic Hands stats you need. Once you hit the base mods, benchcraft prefixes to open or lock suffixes. This ensures the Mystic Hands recipe can apply correctly. Then apply a catalyzer or use harvest for better roll ceilings so the final stats are competitive. Keep checking trade chat prices and transaction timing because you may need to flip crafts quickly if a roll goes wrong. Finish by applying the Mystic Hands vendor recipe or the final craft step that converts your glove into the Mystic Hands item. You should verify stats, sockets, links, and implicit values, then decide to keep exalt or sell. If a roll is off, you can use chaos or regal crafting paths to recover value or revert to your saved backup and reattempt the targeted craft. If things go wrong, stop and reassess modifiers. Rushing repeats costly mistakes, so pace yourself and correct one variable at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.